It's a guard alpaca.
The newest member of the K9 unit looks a bit different, but he's got the spirit.
Look at those teeth. Oh, he's actually going to block us.
Good morning. How are you doing? Are you having a good time out here? Say good morning.
And stay awesome. Puppies really don't need expensive toys.
Turkeys are known to escort slow-moving vehicles out of their territory.
And we scored a trophy. One single piece.
You want bad, Mama Jam?
Give him a tiny pair of sunglasses to complete the vibe. How can Doggo seem completely unbothered by freezing snow? Are you seriously looking for cuddles from the most patriarch of the coop, huh?
Self-imposed challenge activated. The little bird is testing its limits.
I've got a super flexible body. Hey, Liquid Body's not joking. Easy peasy.
I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the f is your problem? We just got here.
Around here, only Dad gets to touch the grill.
As clingy as a kid seeing their dad come home.
It's true that shyness never appears in the love of Gen Z.
Look into my eyes, Human. I'm ready for you to introduce someone new to me.
What is this? What's wrong?
What? This is so weird. What the? Yo, he's hugging him.
Get me an air gauge.
No free labor. This pup is about to charge you $150 for mechanical support.
Looks pretty good.
Biraz çirkin ama. Çirkin misin sen?
Ha, öyle mi? Çirkinsin sen de.
Çirkin. O çirkin biliyor herhalde.
Biliyor musun?
Çirkin. Tamam güzelsin.
See? This is exactly how a possessive friendship works.
Baby bear learns climbing early, but choosing the right tree, still a work in progress.
Looks like Buddy's teasing Bestie on the leash disguised as companionship, but hard to prove it.
What are you doing? You can't come. T.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Oh, Conga. Severus, did you save her?
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're meeting Belgian Malinois, the world's most athletic, intense, and hilariously goofy police dogs.
You know him?
You know him.
Guess who's turning an easygoing dude's laziness into their own personal source of value and comfort? Someone give this recruit some milk and a nap. He's drowsy. %1 battery remaining. Even land sharks need a recharge. The intern is doing alright, and he's going to ask for a raise in stake.
Okay. Oh my God! I just got that on film.
Okay, see? Now we're okay. Yeah, okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
No matter how naughty they are, a pregnant human always makes them turn super gentle.
When a cow lies down tongue out, that's half relaxation, half drama.
Why? What? Why are you so chompy? Why are you chompy? What is the chompiness? Why so chompy?
He's making sure nobody steals his pajamas.
Travis, don't you love them?
Olha.
Se deixar verde, nem...
Ele tá tentando passar aqui. Oh, quero todos.
Attracting little pranksters who love bullying nice guys. To Amali, if it's round and moves, it's a ball until proven otherwise.
It was pink down. No.
Buddy's pranks on Doggo are too weak for a jump scare, but too dramatic to be casual teasing.
Move the damn furniture, Mother. Are you gonna be a good boy?
One more time.
I love you.
One more.
You're gonna be good. My good boy. Okay.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Being home alone came with a lot of creative ideas.
Yeah, and I'm with you.
All dogs living with cats have learned to ignore those sensitive violations of their personal space.
Come on. Yay! Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you, you little otter? Oh, okay, just a sec.
I was going to go check on my bath. Peach, it's not your bath.
Who needs backup when Kitty's attitude packs a punch?
Say, I love you. I love you. I love you. Good boy.
Do you want your ball?
Everyone has that one thing they refuse to leave behind.
This is what you want. Now we can go. Oh my God.
You get up, go right back, right back, right back,
He makes herding sheep look way too easy.
right back.
Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. At the end of the day, I wake up and I'm trying to be the bigger.
100% chance of rain, 100% chance of fun. Adult Malinois can leap insanely high. This one's still working on it.
Look at that dog. But are you petting him? Are you petting him? What?
Doggy's trying to live his life, but Kitty's acting like it's a group project.
Go ahead, Bean. It's not a trap.
The dog was like, yeah, this whole setup doesn't look suspicious at all.
Bean, get your treats.
Someone tell Officer Nay that those aren't giant orange carrots.
Bro, what? Kristen, you eat my money, dude. Kristen, bro, stop. Bro, look, you ate my money, dude. Oh my God.
Those Malinois puppies are pure chaos. If they made you smile, subscribe for more. See you soon.
What is it? Get him.
Travel tip for a baby capybara. Mom's back is the safest ferry in town. The baby rhino's small, but its mom is basically the Savannah's version of a tank. Even strong jumpers start with a few questionable attempts.
All that kitty loving. Jojo.
Hello. Hi. Hey,
Nothing escapes the long-legged spy. He's working for the local FBI.
Hi, bud. How's it going? Good to see you. Are you chattering? Are you so excited?
This is peak I'm scared but I won't admit it behavior. Nature's most reliable rescue service. Family means nobody gets left behind, especially in an elephant herd.
Smesta da si presto sto ripanje.
Stay tuned for Mission Impossible Belgian Malinois edition. Thinking fast and knowing how to cooperate can really save tons of energy. Here's the proof.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad. I'm sorry, no snack. You can be mad. That's okay. I'm sorry.
She's touching them with her ears.
Doggo probably has struggled a lot to satisfy our furball's hunting instincts with very limited physical strength.
Do you love me? Yeah. Are you sweet girl? Can you just be sweet?
Listen, Mr. Gator, a heartbeat. Oh God! Oh my God! Why? Okay? Eat him to your time. Get back!
Look down. Sit.
Proof that some dogs clearly watched more. Hey, want to be my friend? Wait, why are you frozen? I'm right down here.
Opie, bring it in here. Good boy. That's a good boy. Let's bring it in here. Good boy. You're doing good.
Where's that boy? You're so good. I missed you so much. Yes, you. Yeah, we're back. How you doing?
She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
This is ridiculous.
Alright, this remote looks alone. Serious? Wait, I have an idea. Pass me a mic.
Maybe they secretly watched you and you didn't even know it. Their peripheral vision is legendary.
Smeagol, you're just not scared of anything, are you? Coco, are you giving him a back massage? Huh?
You okay, Jeremy?
They jump. They really jump.
She's the ultimate helicopter parent, except she's a submarine.
Cats are always affectionate and bring a precious sense of comfort when we return. Stay tuned for more. Bye! The exact moment professionalism leaves the body and the inner puppy takes over. People say I'll love this, but personally, I think it's a trap.
Let's try puppy.
Doggo really empathizes with the struggle of being furless and Sphinx's need for grooming. Proof that a beautiful relationship can exist even before meeting face to face. Are you trying to get the bunny to teach you some high jumping lessons, huh?
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace.
Te cae bien la Lupita, uy.
Some guests make themselves comfortable very quickly.
Get him, Monty.
This dog was not taking any chances.
Go on. Go on, Junie.
Your talent for sensing the tiniest movements is finally paying off, isn't it, mate?
You got this. Oh, yeah. Man, he is not happy. He is not happy. Looks like he's singing.
850 pounds per person.
Grooming is a highly effective bridge between two species that seemingly have nothing in common. Whoa, this feels warmer than usual. I guess I'm about to become someone's babysitter soon.
Good morning, Agatha. Are you having a good day? No way. Oh, well, I'm glad you're having a good day. Okay, love you, bye.
You were fine.
I said I like tight spaces, not being completely sealed away.
Pigs are just like humans. Sibling drama. Only Mom can hit the pause button.
Yep, that's definitely the spot. Talent shows up in the most unexpected places.
比了，好了。啊，都比啊啊！
The sloth's like, hey, I was halfway through my 3-day commute. Put me back. If you let them watch Husky's friendliness can be downside sometimes when
Where are you going?
You wanna go for a car ride? Come on, tell me. Tell me. Really? Tell me.
Please do not disturb the water gargoyle while it reboots.
Synchronization complete.
Wanna count? Wanna count? 1.
Only Mom's voice could convince this little lamb to follow.
Hi, Ellie. It's 2 a.m. Do you want to go out? Yeah? Go show me. Show me. Oh, is that how?
I didn't even get.
Without the toy, the box became the main suspect. This is a dugong, a gentle marine mammal closely related to manatees. They spend most of their time grazing on seagrass, which is why people sometimes call them sea cows.
Nah, that's a Doberman.
Must be one of those extra large lap dogs.
Show, boy. No way I'm seeing this right now. In the whip, too. Look at this.
You miss me, son? You miss your dada? Let me get the light so I can come up with daddy, son.
What is... Huh?
Turkey.
Quack, quack.
Here.
Every job is better with a little company.
Yes. Good boy.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay.
Stay there, stay there. Look at that.
Hey, Jet. Hey, Jet.
Currently waiting for her to start meowing and refusing to leave the high shelves.
It's okay, Penny. Sit, sit.
The heat may be intense, but nothing beats a mother's protection.
Yeah, six.
Oh, look, I believe within 2 weeks, and they'll figure out how to drive the car.
had a lot to say, but his owner had other plans.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
I just caught this guy, a little iguana. He has a regrown tail, but bro, he is vibing with me. Look at this.
Move, get back, man.
Accept the fact that no matter how strong a man is, he has to succumb to his wife.
Yeah, but I don't know where you want to go.
So gentle, right? That's how cat friendships are. See you next time.
Si jamais j'ai envie de changer d'avis, bah, j'irai peut-être glander un peu. Après, si vraiment je suis bien lancé, tu vois, bah, j'irai bien me reposer.
Come on, buddy. The baby's privacy won't be leaked through the mum's belly button.
No. No. No.
Sometimes being friendly just isn't enough to make a stranger drop their guard. Sometimes their intelligence is really surprising, right? Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.
Gentle.
I'll rate this 10 out of 10 for work ethic, 2 out of 10 for actual cleanliness.
I get it. Yep.
Sir, you're being evicted for excessive jumping around our house.
Nope. That may be a little.
Huh?
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer? You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC dep.
Oh my goodness. Ouch! Nay! Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
When your personal trainer is a Ford Explorer with a siren.
A new day is always filled with excitement when you have 1001 ways to poke your bestie.
Cadê? Cadê o neném da barriga? Ele tá pulando pra você.
Kamu makan loh.
I was gonna see if he wanted to go swimming.
Don't worry, he's just not used to the new feeder yet.
Did you realize you needed
Ai, oi.
This is the cutest thing on earth.
Feeding time, guys. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Just let it happen. Look at me. You're so handsome.
Wasn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
Alfie, say bite bite. Good job. Okay, say bye bye. Say bye bye.
That's a spoiled pooch. Yeah, boy.
Happiness doesn't always need a reason.
You doing good, Nug? Oh my goodness.
Right. Thank you.
Baby, I'll be bulletproof. Bloody hell, I am not bulletproof.
Ready?
she picked the worst possible moment to look away.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Why you attack me? Baby bear attack. The way you walk around is so